Hey there! Would you like to build a successful career in data analysis and get a well-paying job? Sure, I know you would want to. My name is Joy, and today we're giving you practical step-by-step guide to building a successful career in data analysis and getting your dream job. Step 1. Get hands-on experience by enrolling in a computer training institute. Theory is great, but nothing beats getting your hands dirty with real-world projects. That's where you truly master the skills you need to excel in data analysis. Step 2. Do not underestimate the power of internships. Interning at a company not only gives you practical experience, but also opens doors to future opportunities. Plus, it's a chance to network and make value industry connections. Step 3. Keep learning and growing. The field of data analysis is always evolving, so stay up to date with the latest tools and techniques. Take advanced courses, attend workshops, and never stop pushing yourself to improve. Ready to take the first step towards your dream career? Call or visit any of our offices today and let us help you on your journey to becoming a data analysis pro. Don't wait. Seize the opportunity and make your mark in the world of data. Bye.